Check, check, check. Game. Good morning. I just woke up. And it's one of the slow days where you wake up and the first thing na ma-realize mo is, wow, I'm already at my 30s. So yun yung eksena ko ngayong umaga na to, no? And wala, this is one of the days na sobrang slow lang, that you have no agenda for the day. You don't have anything to do. Walang work, walang OT, walang labas. And ito yung mga time din siguro. I'm not sure kung sa akin lang to. Maybe sa inyo din na ito yung mga time na hindi natin maiwasan mag-reflect. And ayun nga, nakapag-reflect ako and wow, I'm already at my 30s, no? I just turned 30, no? 5 months ago. And ito rin na rin yung time na nakapag-reflect. And yung mga what if, mga self-reflection, questions, nag-backtrack sa mga plano nung 20s pa ako. And hindi lang naman to yung time na to, no? Merong series of reflections all throughout this year. And siguro yun din yung reason, that's the reason why I'm shooting this video right now. So I'm processing my 30s. Siguro you're also processing, no? That's why you're in this video. And basically, akala ko by 30 okay na ako. Clear na, stable na, settled na, financially free na. Akala natin figured out na natin at the age of 30. So sa akin hindi pa pala. I'm not sure sa inyo, baka yes, figured out na. But then I have another set of revelation or another instance lang siguro. Magkakaiba naman tayo ng experiences, right? So, sa akin hindi pa pala ako clear sa gusto ko, hindi pa din ako stable. I'm not financially free yet. Honestly, hindi ko pa din siya figured out. I turned 30 and hindi ko pa din siya figured out, no? But on paper, parang okay naman. May trabaho, I'm earning more than enough siguro. May routine, may friends, di ba? Hindi naman ako lost. Pero deep inside, there's something of, or siguro lacking, or siguro question na, is this it at the age of 30? Na I'm not lost, but I'm not also sure. No, you're not lost, but you're also not sure kung ito na ba siya. And I think that's one of the things na hindi masyado na pag-uusapan when you turn 30 or about turning 30, no? Na walang clarity. Mas dumadami pa nga yung mas dumadami pa nga yung questions when you become 30. Siguro kasi iba na rin yung iba na to iba na siya. Siguro nagigets nyo ako if you're in that space already. Kasi nung 20s parang naka-autopilot lang tayo, 'di ba? Naka-autopilot ka lang. Ako naka-autopilot lang din. Meron tayong timeline before. May script tayong sinusundan before na siguro nasa script pa rin nga tayo itong 30 na to. The script is you study, you graduate, you work, you improve, and then you earn. Ever since I turned 30, no, sabi ko nga 5 months na ako dito sa 30th year ko. Meron lang akong tatlong realizations, and I just wanted to share it with you, or siguro document ko, no. Din-document ko lang yung 30s ko. So number one, walang arrival. Akala ko when you arrive, there's an arrival point or parang ito na siya. Pero wala. When you arrive, you don't arrive, you just adjust, no? Na wala palang end point ito. Kasi at our 20s, no, you mold yourself to become the person you wanna become. At 30, akala ko tapos na siya. Pero hindi. Actually, mas pa siya. More avenue, no, to mold the person you wanna become. So parang ganun siya sa akin. Walang arrival. You don't arrive. You just adjust. And number 2, stability doesn't guarantee clarity. No? Magkaiba kasi siya. Akala mo, when you're stable, clear na rin sa'yo kung ano yung magiging direction ng life mo. Clear na rin sa'yo na ito na to. Hindi pa siya ganun. Kasi hindi talaga siya ganun. It's not equal, no, stability, or it's not guaranteed na when you're stable, meron ka na ring clarity in terms of the directions that you wanna take or the path you wanted to take. Siguro lastly, or number 3 is, our decisions or my decision carry more weight now more than ever. Yun yung una kong naramdaman nung nag-30 ako, nung nag-birthday ako. And feeling pa lang siya back then nung nag-birthday ako na 30 na ako. Feeling ko ito na yung mga oras na iba na yung responsibilities ko kasi nung time na yon. And sabi ko, parang mas may weight na yung mga decisions na ginagawa ko kasi I consider kasi dapat 60 okay na yun. Pwede nang mamatay ka doon. Kaya 30 parang midlife ko na siya. And anything na pinagde-decidean ko, starting at this point, carries more weight. And it would really affect kung ano yung magiging outcome ng latter part of my life, no? And true enough naman, lahat talaga ng decisions ko, may weight talaga siya. It would shape the outcome of my life, no? Most especially sa career, sa switch ko ng company or pag-join ko sa other companies, kung paano ko tinitake yung path ko in terms of the industry na kung nasaan ako ngayon. So yeah, so yun siya. Number 1, walang arrival. Akala ko may point na okay na pero wala. Number 2, stability doesn't guarantee clarity. Na when you're stable, it's parang stability doesn't equal clarity. Na kapag stable ka, may clarity ka na rin kung ito na ba talaga siya or ito na ba talaga yung gusto mo. No, it doesn't work that way. And lastly, my decisions carry more weight now more than ever. So, any decisions that I'm making at this point in my life would severely, or hindi naman severely, would affect the outcome of my latter part of my life siguro. So, yeah. I'm Michael or Mikoy. I'm not sure kung ano pang gagamitin ko. This is my first video. And I just turned 30 and hindi ko pa rin siya figured out. And in this channel, I'm not gonna pretend that I got it all figured out. Siguro itong channel to is to document lang how I'll live my 30s and how I'll try to understand it along the way. And if you're in that same space, maybe we can figure it out together. No? So, I think that's it for this video. Stay tuned siguro. Stay tuned. Mga realizations ko lang naman to. But yep, I'm Michael. I just turned 30. And this is... Hindi ko na alam. Sige, tapusin na natin to. Sa next na lang, kung ano nang next na realizations ko na pwedeng ma-share. Thanks, bye.